In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Microsoft Teams. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to start Microsoft Teams calls directly from Slack, which can really streamline communication if your organization uses both tools. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser, and make sure you're in any workspace where you want this integration available. Look over to the left-hand side of the screen where your channels and direct messages are listed. Near the bottom, you'll see an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This is where Slack keeps additional features that don't always appear in your main sidebar. Once that panel opens, you'll see a few different options. From here, click on Tools. This section groups together various shortcuts and utilities that can extend what Slack can do, and it's often where you'll start when you're looking to add new functionality. Inside the Tools area, you'll find an option called Apps. Click on Apps. This will open Slack's app browser for your workspace. Think of this as your app store inside Slack, where you can search for and install integrations that connect Slack to other services, including Microsoft Teams. At the top of the apps view, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search field and type Microsoft Teams. As you type, Slack will begin showing matching results. What you're specifically looking for is the app called Microsoft Teams Calls. This app is designed to let you initiate Teams meetings right from Slack messages and channels. When you see Microsoft Teams Calls in the results, click on it to open the app's details page. Here you can quickly review what the app does, what permissions it needs, and how it integrates with your workspace. It's a good idea to skim this information so you understand how it will be used. On this page, you'll see an Install button. Click on Install. If you don't see this button, or if it's grayed out, that may mean your Slack workspace requires an administrator to approve new apps. In that case, you'll need to request approval before continuing. After you click Install, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked to sign into your Microsoft account, grant the necessary permissions, and confirm which Teams organization you want to connect. Just continue clicking through, reading each screen carefully, until you reach the confirmation that the app has been added. Once that's done, your Slack workspace will be connected to Microsoft Teams calls, and you'll be ready to start launching Teams meetings directly from Slack.